The field of artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming industries and creating exciting new career opportunities. If you're interested in joining this dynamic field, a solid foundation is key. While AI is a broad area with many specializations, some core skills and knowledge are universally valuable. This explanation details the kind of background, in terms of education, skills, and experience, that is generally considered best for working in AI. 1. Strong mathematical foundation. Linear algebra. Essential for understanding machine learning algorithms and data manipulation. Calculus. Crucial for optimization techniques used in training AI models. Probability and statistics. Fundamental for understanding uncertainty, data analysis, and model evaluation. 2. Programming proficiency. Python. The most popular language in AI, with extensive libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. R. Widely used for statistical computing and data analysis, particularly in research settings. 3. Knowledge of machine learning concepts, supervised learning, algorithms that learn from labeled data, e.g., classification, regression. Unsupervised learning, algorithms that learn from unlabeled data, e.g., clustering, dimensionality reduction. Reinforcement learning, algorithms that learn through trial and error by interacting with an environment. 4. Computer science fundamentals, data structures and algorithms, understanding how to efficiently store and manipulate data. Software engineering, building robust and scalable AI systems. 5. Domain expertise. Depending on the specific AI application, knowledge in fields like healthcare, finance, or natural language processing can be very valuable. Educational paths, computer science, a traditional path with a strong focus on programming, algorithms, and software engineering. Mathematics, statistics, provides a solid foundation in the mathematical concepts underlying AI. Data science focuses on data analysis, machine learning, and statistical modeling. Engineering. Many engineering disciplines, e.g., electrical, computer, offer specializations in AI or machine learning. Beyond formal education. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer courses on AI and machine learning. Working on personal AI projects is a great way to gain practical experience. Contributing to open-source AI projects can help you learn from experienced developers. In summary, a strong background in mathematics, programming, and machine learning concepts is essential for a career in AI. While a formal education in computer science, mathematics, statistics, or data science is beneficial, there are also many opportunities to learn through online courses, projects, and open-source contributions. It's important to remember that the field of AI is constantly evolving, so continuous learning and adaptation are crucial for success.